Students, in my previous video, I have given the question answers of lesson number 2, so many kinds of animals. In this video, we'll continue the question answers of the same lesson. So please get ready with your EVS workbook, lesson number 2, so many kinds of animal, page number 13. We have finished with question number 6. Now question number 7. Give 2 examples of each. You have to give two examples of each of the following. First, animals that live in water. Examples are fishes, butterflies. Second, animals that have many colors. Answer, peacock, butterflies. Third, animals which are large in size. Answer, elephant, horse. Fourth, animals which are tiny. Answer, ants and gans. Now question number 8. Think and tell. First question. A beetle is an animal that flies. But is it a bird or insect? Answer. A beetle is an insect. It has 6 legs and 2 small wings. It does not have feathers. It is not a bird. Question number 2. What is common between a fish and a chameleon? Answer. Fish and chameleon both have scales on their body. Question number 3. Name an animal which have strips on its body. Answer. Zebra and tiger have strips on their body. Question number 4. Why do people who live in deserts keep camels? Answer. People who live in desert keep camels because they need camel for transport. It can travel for a long period of time without food or water. Question number 5. Why do people keep sheep? Answer. Sheep give us wool, milk and meat. Therefore, people keep sheep. Question number 6. Why do people keep hens? Answer. Hens give us meat and eggs. Therefore, people keep hens. Question number 7. Write the names of animals which run very fast. Answer. Deer, horse, leopard, cheetah, etc. are the animals which run very fast. Question number 8. Write the names of birds which soar high in the sky. Answer. Eagle, kite, etc. are the birds which soar high in the sky. Question number 9. Which animals have spots on their body? Answer. Leopard, cheetah and giraffe have spots on their body. Question number 10. Which animals have a mane? Now children, what is the meaning of mane? Mane means long and heavy hair growing above the neck and head of some animals. So we have to give one example. So our answer is lion has a mane.